Ow! It burned my fucking leg. This is very comfortable. Yeah. Very comfortable. Yeah.
How's it going? So I just wanted to address, because last weekend we got a bit too excited and we forgot to record a lot. So I'm going to combine a few days together. But what we forgot to record was I think from memory we forgot to record putting these in. Today we didn't forget to record, luckily. So what I did today was I put in this mount. As you can see, I did the crosses during the week, and we did these 2 bars right here. So what's been done is I put plates, so I wasn't welding these straight to the roof. I put plates to reinforce, 4 of them, and then 2 plates on either side. So that's not actually welded to the body. That's actually, there's a plate over the body, and then that's welded to the plate. So I'm just going to do a demonstration. If I grab the cage here, there's no shakiness to the cage. If I grab the cage here, no shakiness. If I grab it here, there's a little bit of flexing, so I'll reinforce that. And if I grab it back here, so I'm pretty happy with how it is so far. Yeah, so that's this